Tired of your Neato battery not charging? You're not alone. Here's how to get it working again, fast. First, check if your Neato is sitting correctly on its base. Sometimes the vacuum isn't lined up right, and the metal contacts can't connect. Make sure it's snug, and you see the charging light. Next, inspect the charging contacts on both the vacuum and the base. If you see dust or dirt, wipe them with a dry cloth. Dirty contacts can stop the battery from charging. Now, look at the power cord. Is it plugged in all the way? Try a different outlet if you're unsure. Still not charging? Try restarting your Neato. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If your Neato is older, the battery might just be worn out. Most robot vacuum batteries last about 2 years. If you've tried everything else, consider replacing the battery. Remember, regular cleaning and making sure the dock area is clear can help prevent charging problems. And that's it. With these simple checks, most Neato charging issues are easy to fix. Keep your floors clean and your Neato powered up.